Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play melodies on the recorder. First, ensure you hold the instrument correctly, with your left hand positioned at the top and your right hand supporting the bottom. It is crucial to cover all the holes completely with the soft pads of your fingers. Even a tiny gap can cause an unwanted squeak. Remember to use a gentle, steady breath, almost like blowing across a bottle, to produce a clear and consistent sound. A relaxed posture will also greatly improve your playing experience. Now, let's learn your first 3 notes. For the note B, cover the thumb hole on the back and the first hole on the front with your left hand. To play A, keep the thumb hole covered and add your second finger to cover the second hole. For G, simply add your third finger to cover the third hole, keeping the thumb and first 2 fingers down. Practice transitioning between B, A, and G slowly, aiming for a clear, steady sound for each note. Focus on smooth finger movements. Let's expand your note range by adding C and D. To play C, cover the thumb hole on the back with your left thumb and the second hole on the front with your left middle finger, leaving the first hole open. For D, cover the thumb hole and the third hole with your left ring finger, leaving the first and second holes open. Now, try combining these new notes with B, A, and G. Practice playing short, simple phrases, focusing on the rhythm and the clarity of each individual note. To truly bring your melodies to life, focus on rhythm. Try counting a steady beat, perhaps 4 counts for each note, to help you maintain consistent timing. Regular practice is key. Aim for about 15 minutes every day to build muscle memory and improve your technique. Always listen carefully to your own playing, paying attention to the tone and accuracy of each note. Most importantly, enjoy the process of making music and celebrate every small step of your progress on the recorder.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.